How to double your appointment rate in sales, without killing yourself. A complete automated insurance sales system designed for licensed insurance agents who want to escape the traditional grind of cold calling, traveling all over the state for appointments, and chasing overpriced leads. Forget that stuff. That's the old way. The new online system is Selling Insurance While You Sleep can help double your appointments and sales in 12 months or less. It enables agents to sell final expense and term life insurance, up to $3 million, 100% online platform, generating passive commission income while working from home or sleeping or even traveling the world on vacations. This is a great system for agents who are burned out from traveling across their county or region for appointments, exhausted from dialing for dollars and cold calling, frustrated with lack of quality leads, spending too much money on expensive lead sources, seeking to escape the time for money trap, ready to build a scalable, automated insurance business. Are you an agent who is mental burnout from constant rejection through cold calling, financial stress from expensive lead costs with poor conversion rates, time poverty working 60-hour weeks with inconsistent results, inability to scale beyond personal effort and hours worked, no-shows and time wasters destroying your productivity? The solution: sell policies on the internet. Get our new mini course for just $27. Get our system for selling insurance while you sleep. Package includes weird and ugly postcard templates, proven to generate $500 per day if you work on the system. Complete landing page funnel template, step-by-step training on running $5 day social media ads. Learn how to use Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Complete guide for 100% online application process, proven results. 𝐒𝐭𝐞𝐲 insurance agent in California achieving measurable success. Transition from traditional prospecting to online sales system, consistently closing 5 to 7 policies weekly via the internet. Helen Sullivan. Built automated system generating 4 to 5 policy sales per week 100% online. Both agents progressed from initial weekly sales to earning $400 to $500 a day in commissions within 12 to 14 months of implementation. Realistic progression for agents. Build the system where you are selling 4 to 5 policies a week 100% online. The system works 24/7 without an agent's direct involvement. You sign up direct with an A+ insurance company and build residual income. Agent gets paid 90% up to 120 based on production. To learn more, go to www.sellinginsurancewhileyouSleep.com. Again, that's www.sellinginsurancewhileyouSleep.com.